everyone. If you're looking for a role in aviation, here's a quick look at the top jobs in 2025. Customer Service Agent. Customer Service Agent greet and help passengers with the check-in and new self-service tech. Ground Service Agent. Ground Service Agent or GSA manage boarding luggage and ensure a smooth experience, great for organized hand-on people. Ramp Agent. Ramp Agent load luggage and work outdoors. Perfect if you like physical work. Turnaround Coordinator. Turnaround coordinators keep flights on schedule by managing ground tasks. Cargo Agents. Cargo agents handle shipments, a growing role thanks to the e-commerce. Ground Equipment Coordinators. Ground Equipment Coordinators make sure all machinery is ready to go. Cabin Crews. They ensure passengers' comfort and safety, creating a great travel experience. Aviation 2025 has something for everyone. Ready to start your journey?